Good morning from my village, guys. What's up? What's up? I am Macharia here, and today I'm coming live from my village in Nyeri, Central Kenya. Guys, and now I want to show you how my village look like. It's very early in the morning here, and I'm coming live. I just woke up, man. It's 9 a.m. in the morning. So, guys, this is how my village looks like. This is our home here. Yeah, just look how cool this place looks like. It's this green. People sometimes think Africa, we are dying here. Man, look how this place looks like. Green, looks beautiful. And also, we have some plantains here. You see? We have bananas everywhere. And some people are busy thinking that we are dying in Africa. This is my sister. Say hi. Like that. Yeah. That's our sister. And here, this is my brother also. Yeah, big up. Yeah. So it's like that. Hey, sister. I want some tea.
Some tea?
What are you doing?
I'm making some chapatis.
Hi. Good
Hi.
morning.
Morning too.
Christmas. Today is 25th of December. She's preparing some chapatis here, man. Yeah, like this. This is how we do it here in Kenya. You also have a pan. This is to cook chapati. Like this. Can you put this one here? Like that. We usually do it like that. Then you put some cooking oil in here. Very simple, guys. And here she is preparing some chapati. Sister, what do you think about Christmas today?
The day is good. And I love it. I'm just enjoying cooking chapatis here.
Good. Yeah, she says she enjoys cooking chapati. Actually, she loves cooking chapati. And now, guys, let me wash my face. I have not washed my face. You see, they forgot to turn off the tap here. Yeah, I want to wash my face here. Yeah, this is my sister. She's in grade. Which grade are you in?
1.
You're in grade 1?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's grade 1. She's in grade 1. And yeah, I want to wash my face here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's how we do it. I'm washing my face. And also, what do you think? This is passion fruit.
Yeah.
Guys, this is passion fruit. You see, we grow everything here in Africa. Everything, actually. And also, I don't know what the name of these fruits. They add blood in your body. When you take it or when you eat it, they add blood in your body. So, guys, let me take you a simple walk of my village garden here. Hi, that's my auntie. And this is my brother talking with the phone here also. Yeah. So let's go. So, guys, I just washed my face. You see, we have so many bananas here. A lot of bananas everywhere. Yeah, this is my father's land. And also, once it belonged to my father, it also belongs to me. That's an African thing, Yeah, so this is our home now. Now, you can see this is corn and beans. Actually, it's maize, but most of people know it as a corn, you know. And also here you have carts. This cart here, or mila. You eat this, the fragile one here. You see? Actually, personally, I don't do eat this thing. But they have been here for so long, you know. They have been here for so long now. We used to sell them for those people who do shiomila. Yeah, look at this. Ahashi avocado. It has a small avocado here. Yeah. You see, here in Africa you have so many things. We have some passion fruit. I just shown you how they are grown, how they are prepared in a nursery, and then you plant them. Here they are, a lot of them, passion fruits. You see, and also here are some macadamias. We call them macadamia. Actually, I need to find one and show you how we do it here. Let me see whether this one is mature. This one is not matured. You see? If it's white, it's not matured yet. I look for the mature one. And I have to show you guys how nitafutia yenye imekuwa. Yeah, exactly like this. You see? You remove this like that, and then you can crack this with the hammer, and then you eat. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, this is my dad. Hey. Oh. Na niĩ nĩ ka video ndĩrathondeka haha hanini. Sasa goko village, in our village. So guys, I just told you that's my dad. This is a banana, you see, but it's not yet mature. And there is a lot of macadamias. You see this tree, there is this one here, there is this one here. We have like almost 40 of them. This is coffee. Yeah, can you hold this one for me? Hold this for me. You see? Yeah, so, and also oh, I'm forgetting to show you this. Let me show you this, guys. I'm still showing Mela. This is coffee. For those of you who doesn't know coffee, this is coffee, you see? And this is coffee berries. This is coffee that you actually take in the morning, you know? This is where it comes from. And you can see this is like a coffee plantation here. It's not that huge, but it looks wow, you know. And people are busy saying that we are dying here in Africa because of hunger. People think that Africa is too hot, like it's a desert. No, Africa is not a desert, actually. You can see how green Africa is. Guys, we need to change the narratives of Africa. You know, you need to change the narratives of Africa ourselves, because some people come here with bad intentions or bad ideas. They try to go to the deep where they know there is nothing. They just want to show there, and their point is they want to get views. There is nothing else they need. They just want to get views. They try to look for the baddest place ever so that they can share in their channels. I just saw a very huge grasshopper. You see, guys? Yeah, wow. can see we have a lot of passion fruits here. This is passion fruit, guys. Oh, here we have a banana. I think we need to go with this one at home. So, let me take this one home here, guys. Yeah, in Africa, they say we are dying of hunger. That this is food everywhere. So, guys, let me end this video here. And if you want to enjoy my village vlogs, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that every time I upload a video, you can be able to see, you know, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will appreciate, guys. Yeah, I'm coming from my village here in Africa, a beautiful green village in central Kenya, Nyeri. You can see the sun is shining bright. Wow. I'm here with my sister. We are just taking a simple walk in our village. So subscribe, guys, and I will appreciate.